Hello bass players, today we're going to be learning how to play the F sharp melodic minor scale in 1 octave on the bass. So the key of F sharp minor has 3 sharps in the key signature. So we're going to play F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp all the time. And then as always with the melodic minor scale, we will raise the 6th and 7th scale degrees ascending. And those are going to be D sharp and E sharp. Now E sharp is a white key on the piano. We commonly call that pitch F natural. But if you are playing it in the context of F sharp minor, you do need to spell it as E sharp because each note of the scale does need to have a different alphabetical letter name. And you've already used the F sharp on the tonic, so we can't call the leading tone F natural. We have to call it E sharp. So that's where we might see some E sharps in our music occasionally. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with first finger on the lowest string, the E string. So we're going to play F sharp and then G sharp, 1 and 4. Open A, and then first finger B. C sharp is 4th finger. Here you're going to go to half position. So this is going to be D sharp. And then you're going to shift to first position for E sharp, which is the 2nd finger. You usually see this note as F natural. And then your 4th finger will play F sharp. Descending the scale, you're not gonna play E sharp and D sharp. You'll play E natural and D natural. So that's gonna be 4th finger. First finger staying in first position. Open D. 4. First finger. Open A. And then we've got G sharp, 4th finger, and then F sharp is first finger. So all together, that's gonna look like this. Half position, first position, 2nd finger. Good, so let's try that one with a beat. We'll do 2 beats per note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you're practicing your minor scales, make sure that you're really kind of learning what the minor scales need to sound like so that your ear will guide you to the next pitch. And then just remember that they do sound a little bit different than the major scales, and they are different going up and going down. So with practice, your ear will learn to anticipate what the next note is going to sound like. So good luck and happy practicing.